Alam niyo, nakagawa ng All-Star Game, makikita niyo rito yung nangyari po between Marlo Aquino and Andy Sigel na medyo nagkapikunan. Nangyayari po talaga sa basketball. Ayan, medyo nagkaturuan pa ng bahagya at nagkaroon pa ng mga sanctions dito. Ito naman ang nangyari kahapon. Yun, si Marlo at si Andy Sigel din yan.
Wala na, tapos na yun.
Oo.
Tsaka hindi yan.
Ito si Kevin Ramas sa pagkakataon na yun. Watch it again. Yan ang tulangan. Sige.
Ito, wala pa tawag yan.
Yan,
Actually, that probably was a foul on that play.
Loksin, umangat. Oh
Ito.
boy.
Now the players of Gordon's beginning to lose their cool
Yes.
in the face of this big lead enjoyed by Alaska.
May foul si Kevin Ramas dun sa play na yon. Subalit, tinawagan siya ng technical foul for second motion. Yun ang fake. There's the foul. Tapos sinupsup yung bola.
Well, there was actually a headbutt also. Ito, watch it from a different angle. Actually, nagkaroon na ng contact, no?
Ito,
Earlier.
Yan ang foul. Alam mo, minsan, pag you're all pumped up for a championship, naaamoy mo na, nahahawakan. Lastimosa with a strong move para pasimulan itong fourth quarter at hinataw siya ni Wilmerong. Pinito, as we take a look at this replay, mukhang Gordon's Gin now beginning to lose its composure here. Wala, Wilmerong offensive rebound. Nasa ilalim siya. And there's gonna be a foul. And a lot of color now taking place, Kinito.
Well, the action has been very physical from the start.
And then yun, medyo susundot siya. Doon tinawagan ng foul. There was a attempt by Lastimosa to...
Well, dapat umikot yung bola, no? Because they have a size advantage. Although with Walker is there, who stands about mga 6'9".
Una dito, laban kay Barrientos. And then parang may second motion ito si Noli Locsin.
Yes, nakita natin yun.
At tatawagan siya ng technical foul. And a big rebound from Noli Locsin at may foul si Potswinyo.
Ali Peak is a player who nakita natin yun.
At tatawagan siya ng technical foul. And a big rebound from Noli Locsin at may foul si Potswinyo.
Ali Peak is a player who averages in double figures and is capable of...
He backs up, he goes up, and the scramble for the loose ball. Referee spots a foul as Nagano challenges Alvin Patrimonio for possession.
Alam mo naman hindi maatras si Alvin.
Hoy, anong ginagawa mo dyan? Sabi niya, Ali,
Hindi mo yata kilala kung sinong inaaway mo.
akin yan. Oh, hindi sa'yo yan.
Take a look at this play, no? The scramble for the ball. Actually, foul yung foul si Nagano because he tried to come from behind. Si Alvin just keeping his cool on this play.
Ito, another view from the McDonald's slow-mo of the heated fight for the loose.
Hamilton and Asaito, no? Said that in game
Supervised ng training ng Pure Foods sa kanilang conditioning. Samantala, binangga.
Mukhang sapul na sapul si Ronnie doon, no?
Masakit ang pagkakatama. Mukhang sabog yung ilong. Hindi do pumarin. Lalapitan. Alam mo yung lapit ni Dindo pumarin, nakangiti pa eh.
Oo.
Hindi niya siguro na-realize na kung anong naitama niya dahil parang ang tinatawanan niya yung tawag sa kanya.
Oo, yung tawag sa kanya. Pero talagang sinalubong niya, no? Sinalubong niya. Magkasama rin yung dalawang ito.
Ayun, no? Eksakto. Hindi rin, pagpihit. Nakausli,
Nakausli yung siko niya.
And Ronnie Magsanok, this 30-second timeout brought to you by Philippine Airlines with you all the way. So sobrang yanig niya, inilabas na siya ni Jack Santiago. Last play na yun.
Pascal, makikita natin si wala doon sa loob. Jack Santiago na.
Yun, ang tatawag sa kanya. Sayang may bola na eh.
May bola ka na. Yun naman ang mali. Yung paninira muna bago yung laro, no? Yun ang mali ginawa ni Jack. Kasi that's sure 2 points, no? Kasi 80% siguro.
Saka on the break na sila. Ito yung rebound. Na makukuha niya yung bola. Glancing. Ayun, no? Tatawagan talaga siya doon. Dahil tumingin. Kung hindi siya tumingin, baka bibigyan siya ng referee ng benefit of a doubt. Pero dahil...
We call it a championship. Aquino, sinakyan pa ni Wu. And you know, Marlo Aquino takes it in stride. He has been battered really badly dito sa seryeng ito.
Well, hindi naman sinasadya.
Oh, hindi sinasadya yan. Kita mo, muntik na sakyan talaga.
Ewan ko lang kung hindi sinasadya pala yun. Ha? Ito,
Flying
nakita
kick.
natin, oo. May tuhod yun.
And you know the point about by Ron Jacobs earlier about the awareness, the court awareness of Ronnie Grandison. He knew
Paniki, nandiyan po sina
Sanang
Ate Meli
Paniki
sa Tarlac.
sa Tarlac.